Hello guys, good morning and happy Wednesday to everyone. And we just actually have Isabella has already started her online class, so we are on the break right now. So meanwhile, while she's in a 1 hour break, we will just have to bake a cake. So this cake, I supposed to make this on my birthday, but my husband just bought me a cake.
Mama's husband buy the cake.
Yes, so
It was
instead,
so delicious.
yeah, so instead I just make it now for our snackings. So I'm gonna make this. This is just a very easy to make, and it has instruction at the back. So we will be needing 3 eggs, one-third cup of cooking oil, and 1 1/4 cup of water. And aside from this, I'm gonna mix with cashew nuts and raisins as well. I'm gonna put some raisins and flax seeds. But these are just optional. But I just love to put it so it will, you know, when you eat the chocolate cake, it has a different texture and taste. So first, we just have to cook our raisins and nuts. So please keep on watching. So I have here, I just have to make this hot first, and we can put our oil inside. So now first we have to put our cashew nuts. And just fry. So now this is fine. Just have to remove this from the pan, and we have to cook our raisins. If you have walnuts, that's also very nice. I have almonds, but I need to soak in water, but I don't have time right now, so just leave it. I'm just gonna make some raisins. Just fry some raisins. So this is done. Just have to remove. So I have here, oh my god, sorry. So I have here the ready mix cake powder, and just dump everything inside. And we just have also to put our cake, our egg. 3 eggs, and 3 eggs and water. Water is 1 1/4. 1 1/4. Just have to give a good mix. Ready mix cake actually is very easy. You just have to mix everything. That's it. And then you just have to give a good mix. And we can add our vegetable oil, like 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. That's enough, and I need to grease my baking tray as well. And then give a good mix. You have to make sure that it is all mixed. And then we can also put our raisins and nuts, cashew nuts. And this one as well, we'll put flax seeds. I just to put 1/4 cup, just want to estimate. That's perfect. Normally before I'll have this with the oats when I'm eating oats, so I'll always use these flax seeds. Bella, please minimize your noise. So you just have to give a good mix. So now Isabella's finished mixing the chocolate cake. So now we have to transfer it to the baking tray. You like it?
Yeah.
Actually, I really wanted to put in toppings, the chocolate chips, but it's becoming sweet, na. I don't want too much sweets. Because
I want to put topping.
I don't want that. It's just next time when we make banana cake. You can. Okay, so now.
No.
Delicious.
Mama.
Yes.
This is for Christmas.
For Christmas.
Yeah, look.
Wait.
Black and white. Show it here.
Careful! Don't! Careful!
So guys, we have this now. And now we need to cook this, I think. Right, Mama?
Finish watching your mouth, Bella. Come. So now, this is finished.
And
It's
guys,
ready to cook. It's ready to go.
look at me. A hand glove.
And again, guys, this is without oven. So I'm using my stove.
Yeah.
So now here, we put it in a pan, in a saucepan. Let's just dump it inside. See? And we just have to cook this in 40 to 45 minutes in a slow flame. Cover it, and then I'm gonna, because there's a hole in your steamer, so I don't want that steam will come out, so I'm gonna put foil inside. Check. So as you can see, it's already cooked. Now this is fine. So now we have to remove this. So guys, I'm done with my cake. So I have to transfer this in a plate. So now we have to move this in a plate. Now guys, this is the cake now. It's really nice. So now I just have to cut it. It's hot. So now, as you can see, wow, it's nice, it is. I like it, very nice. It really gives a nice flavor if you put some nuts and raisins. Very nice. Actually, my daughter's doing class right now. So anyway, that's all for today, guys. So this is the recipe that I could able to share with you. Please stay safe and be healthy, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye!